Well, look at these models I made a long time ago. I made several of these because I used to sell for a lot of customers on eBay, and I found this on a box. Actually, I made like I found like a 15 of these, and over the years I made several of these models because, as you may know, I began buying and selling on eBay around 2012, 2011, I think. Yes, that's almost 10 years. And I used to customize a lot of models. It's not only when you guys watch my videos. I did previously several of custom models engines. So I gotta finish these custom models. I have a lot. It's not only these models, but probably you can see and watch my videos. If you go to my main page, go into the search bar and type custom light up Victor, and this also I painted yellow to make something different. I know there are some parts missing, and like I say, there are like a 15 I found on a box. These are complete, almost complete. They're missing only the stickers, but I want to finish them. So I just wanted to show you how nice they look. Look, the light is really powerful, and it's right in here. See the housing right here for the light. Yeah, the LED light is right in there, and it's actually good. And I put, hey, let me see, a blinking LED light in the back. Yeah, I know some kids, they like to say, hey, why do the model has a blinking light on the back? They should be at the end of the model of the train cars. But you know how kids are. Anyways, so I just decided to do, because not everybody wants to have a lot of cars attached to the model. And anyways, a custom model, it's whatever I want to do. It's not a personal choice for only one or two, haters. But anyways, I'm not gonna go deep onto those on those details. And haters always hate the content because they would like to do what I can, but I can't do anything. But enough of that talking. Anyways, so these are unfinished models I did a long time ago, and they look really nice. See, they require 3 AAA. Look at the light, powerful light. These models require 3 AAA batteries. And what I did is I had a lot of these over the years. I think I found like 40 or 50 without remote, and I always keep them on the on my storage. So see right there, this 1, 2, 3 AAA batteries. So I made the conversion. So this actually is 3 things in one. It's a custom yellow Victor. It's a custom conversion without remote model, and it's a custom LED light model at the same time. So this is what it is. I made a lot of these customs before, and they look really nice actually. Yes, it's better than just put them in the garbage, because a lot of people they used to put toss away the models because they don't have a remote, or some people think that the batteries are dead and they have no clue where to access the battery compartment. And it's really sad, because these toys can bring a lot of fun for little ones, and that's what I do. I do conversions of these models and bring them back to life. That's the right term I'm trying to say. Bring them back to life. and this is in a good way. Really bright LED lights, and I think they are fast. Yes, they are a little faster, not too fast. They are not too fast, so they will not derail on the tracks, because probably you've seen my other videos. A conversion of straight, let's say if I put the 3 AAA batteries of those customs, they always derail. But there is a resistor on the electric motor inside. Let me see if I can show you quickly right here. The electric motors of these models have a resistor right in this area. Let me see right here. They come with a resistor attached to the model right here, so they will not run too fast. And that's what I call them, resistor. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, but that's the reason they, even if you put the 3 batteries, they don't go too crazy like, you know, the other ones without the resistors. Yeah, but they are really nice. So I have the stickers. I just found them on my boxes just a few minutes ago, and I will try to put them stickers and show you guys in the next couple of days, because I'm doing a lot of customs now that I finish doing some stuff. Probably you might notice that I'm doing a lot of custom models right now. Yeah, so yeah, the wheels are green as in the reference when Victor was yellow, and I use a gloss finish paint, so it's really sticky to the plastic. And I actually put these models on the oven, you know, so that way the paint cures and sticks really well to the plastic model. So that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and I hope you like it. Thank you.